everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Created by Keela. Today, I'm talking about how I created a AI-generated book. Have you ever had an idea for a book, but didn't know where to start? That was me, until I decided to try something new. I used AI to create an entire children's book about the first Christmas night. And today, I'm sharing exactly how I did it and what I learned. To bring this book to life, I used a few key tools. GPT to help me write and refine the story. Midjourney to generate beautiful AI-powered illustrations. Canva to design the layout, fonts, and final pages. And finally, Amazon KDP to publish the book and make it available to the world. I started with an idea, a story about the night Jesus was born, told in a heartfelt, poetic way. I used ChatGPT to help me write the first draft, and I was surprised at how quickly it helped me to shape the tone and flow of the book. But even with AI, I had to guide it. I edited the text to make sure it aligned with my faith, my style, and the warmth I wanted the book to carry. Next came the visuals. I used Midjourney to generate the illustrations. I had to get creative with the prompts, like asking for soft, peaceful nativity scenes and a cozy storybook style. It took a few tries to get it just right, but when the images started to match the heart of the story, I was in awe. I uploaded the text and illustrations into Canva to format the book. I arranged the pages, adjusted the fonts, and made sure each image fit the flow of the story. This step really made the book feel real. It was no longer just an idea. It was coming together visually. Once I had the final file, I uploaded it to Amazon KDP. It walked me through uploading the manuscript, creating a cover, and setting the price. A few days later, my book was live. And with the help of Amazon advertising, I was selling books very quickly. AI is powerful and creates a world of possibilities. Anyone can now create a book, and it doesn't have to take years or even months to develop. This process told me that perfection isn't required, just passion and persistence. Every tool I used helped me to create the book that I have. If you want to see the finished book, When Love Was Born, The First Christmas Night, it's now available on Amazon.com. It's a beautiful way to reflect on the meaning of Christmas. Whether you're a writer, a dreamer, or just curious about creating something new, I hope this inspired you to start. Your story matters, and with a little help from AI, you can share it with the world.